No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke.
We all have or know someone who's a smushy-faced dog.
Pixie the pug can't
Borking.
breathe.
Bork?
Our dog's smushy face comes from their genetic makeup.
Did you know all genes go through a process called mitosis, which is where cells replicate themselves? If they are sex cells, though, they undergo a special process of replication called meiosis. Every organism is made up of a genetic blueprint called DNA. DNA is made up of 4 nucleotides: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The adenine and thymine bases and cytosine and guanine bases form pairs that make up the double-stranded helixes of DNA. Sometimes, though, this genetic information needs to be sent out of the nucleus where it's held.
That's when RNA polymerase transcribes DNA into mRNA. The mRNA is a complementary strand, except A is now paired with uracil.
This process allows for your DNA to be transcribed into mRNA very rapidly. However, during DNA replication, genes sometimes don't copy the way they are meant to, and this is a mutation.
What you may see as a cute, smushy face.
Is actually a genetic nightmare.
Hold your horses. We'll get there.
But I'm a pig with a smushy face, and I can breathe just fine.
You see, that is because you are not one of man's best friends. And also, you don't have the mutation heavily associated with breathing problems in dogs that do not have a smushy face to start with.
Huh? What mutation?
There is a missense mutation at the ADAMTS3 gene. This mutation has one single nucleotide base, guanine, that has been switched out with another nucleotide, adenine. This mistake causes 3 base pair codon to code for histamine instead of arginine. This small mistake causes the dog's breathing issues. Many dogs that have smushy faces also have this specific mutation, leading many to blame the length of their snouts for their breathing issues. However, this has proven to be a correlation, not causation, since the discovery of the ADAMTS3 gene.
You know, we have discussed the mutations issues a lot, but maybe we should explain what it does in more detail. The mutation causes lymphedema, or swelling of tissue surrounding the lungs, along with fluid developing in these tissues. This condition has been found in dogs with 2 copies of the mutated allele.
That's so sad. Is there anything we can do?
Yes, actually. Through selective breeding, the mutation has been bred out of some dogs with shorter snouts. With selective breeding, it has been proven that you can breed out this mutation as they are not linked.
What he is talking about is the breeding experiments done on the Norwich Terrier, a breed with a long snout. Some have bred dogs to produce offspring with and without the mutation of the ADAMTS3 gene. Those with the mutation have the breathing issues, while those without the mutation do not.
Through selective breeding, a homozygous mutated dog and its progeny can be successfully bred to a homozygous normal dog to breed out the mutation. While M represents the mutated allele and N represents the normal allele, their offspring will become heterozygous for the mutation. Through continuous breeding with normal dogs, the mutated allele should be bred out of the population.
In conclusion, these smushy faces may not be what is impacting our furry friends' breathing. In fact, the real case lies in their genetic makeup. This information was provided by the article listed below. Additional information was provided by the second source. Thank you for listening, and if you want to learn more, I highly suggest reading these articles.
In a translation for all of you pigs who may be concerned about this gene, oink, 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 oink,
Love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day.